Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted items in Clickup. Sometimes tasks, lists, or even folders get deleted by mistake, and knowing how to recover them can save a lot of time and frustration. So, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once it loads, sign in to your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. And from here, navigate to the space, folder, or list where the deleted item originally lived. Next, look for the Trash or Deleted Items option. You can usually find this by clicking the three-dot menu near the top of the workspace, List or Folder. Click on it, and ClickUp will display a list of recently deleted tasks, lists, or folders. Scroll through the deleted items to find the one you want to restore. Once you locate it, click on it to open the item details panel. Then look for the Restore button, usually at the top or near the Options menu. Click it, and the item will immediately return to its original location in your workspace. You can also select multiple deleted tasks at once using checkboxes and restore them together. This is helpful if a whole project or several tasks were accidentally deleted. ClickUp keeps the data, comments, and attachments intact so nothing is lost during the restoration. Another tip is to double-check the restored items' status, assignees, and due dates. Sometimes you may need to update these fields so the restored task fits back into your current workflow. Finally, remember that ClickUp keeps deleted items for a limited time, so it's best to restore them as soon as possible. This ensures you don't permanently lose important data, and that's it. Restoring deleted items in ClickUp is fast, easy, and helps maintain your workflow without losing valuable information. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more Click